In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 40 free print-on-demand designs and resources. I think these are really high-end. And did I mention that they're free? Let's go. Okay, the site is called Vector Lab. And I want to point out this is not an affiliate link. I'm not involved with this company at all, other than that I just stumbled across this deal on the internet and I love it. So here's the deal. Go to thevectorlab.com. The Vector Lab sells bundles of high-end graphics, and I'll warn you now, they're not cheap. A lot of them go for around $90 for a bundle. However, I think these are very high-end in my opinion. You can select a bundle and then scroll through the thumbnails to see what each bundle has to offer. Okay, so how do you get the 40 free downloads? Here's what you need to do. Go to the main page and scroll all the way down to the very bottom. There's a link there that says newsletter and 40 free downloads. Click that link. At the bottom of the newsletter page, there's an option to enter your email address and then click subscribe. You'll get an email from Vector Lab asking you to confirm your subscription. So you'll want to confirm your email. Now make sure that you check your spam folder or in Gmail your promotions tab. Sometimes promo emails get lost in there. So as soon as you sign up, you should get an email that looks like this. So scroll down in the email and you'll see a graphic you can click on to get your 40 free downloads. The zip folder that you get looks like this. You get some fonts, Photoshop and Illustrator files, some Affinity files, and Corel files. There are also some vector images in there, so even if you just use a free software tool like Inkscape, for example, you can still access the files pretty easily. Here's a quick preview of the level of detail that you get in the bundle. So there's two main reasons I can think of that you would want to grab these free downloads. Reason number one, if you want to test drive the quality of the files from Vector Lab, I think this company is very high-end. They are expensive in my opinion, but they are high-end and their files are editable and they have some great looking graphics. Reason number two, even if you have no intention of buying anything from Vector Labs today, here's a bunch of free graphics files. So you can always unsubscribe to the newsletter. So in that sense, it is free. I think the borders and the frame graphics are especially good. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. I always love free stuff. Have a great day, everybody.